So Jeremy's stapler sucks.
Yep. Should have Super 77'd it.
A thing, we had a malfunction. It was going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to recover your Honda Express seat, but the GoPro failed.
I failed to get the GoPro.
No, Jeremy.
Oh yeah.
Just because it's on camera doesn't mean you have to tell the truth.
One staple went in the right way.
Mm-hmm.
I'm out. Oh boy.
So
we got some mail, Blake.
Jaybo said he's coming over.
Okay. We'll all open it together.
Where's it from?
Fort Myers.
Fort Myers, Florida.
Florida. I don't know what it says. Homeboy or
From Homeboy?
Jorge.
Jorge? From Jorge.
From Jorge. I don't know. Read it. Jorge? Homeboy? It's in the box.
Let's grab the Sharpie and cross out his address.
Oh, that's... Well, he might want fan mail too.
What's going on? Alright, well, got another sticker for the moped.
What is it? Is it cool?
Mm-hmm.
GoPro. Hell yeah, dude.
Looks good. Just
Yeah.
never put gas in it and you won't see how shitty your staples look.
No kidding. Click.
Oh, what the hell? You're done already?
Yeah.
That son of a... It looks like new.
Until you look at the underside. That stupid staple gun I got is worthless about everything else. It won't go through
really, really good.
Yeah, it won't go through the plastic.
Oh, it feels better.
Oh, I bet, yeah.
Yeah.
Like the staples are like, you know, bending and not going through. And
Oh, they're too weak, maybe, or
I don't know, or the staple guns. Well, yeah, because the staple guns bend in the staples, but they weren't no different than the ones that were in it.
yeah.
Well, the ones that were in it are more like a wire staple.
See, we already know all about this. You don't have to explain it any longer. Jay will just watch the video later.
It's done. Just yeah, go to Bad Tree Productions on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe, and
What, dude? What?
yeah, see, like
Yeah, I know. I've seen. That looks like shit.
I told you.
What the hell?
There. But now it
That
looks
looks
good.
really good.
I know, that looks really good.
Yeah, the
We're
top
just,
does.
Blake
You
just said never,
just gotta get some. Just gotta get something.
like a
This needs
power
to
stapler.
be over.
Well, yeah. Were you pushing really hard on it, or were you?
Yeah, I was, yes. I was.
Okay.
Alright, new sticker.
You're probably really relaxed.
For as much beer as Jeremy
Well, I
drinks.
was working all week. I haven't been on the well.
For as much beer as he drinks, I don't think you've ever really had to push, have you?
No, it just falls up. Good Lord. I want to start putting stickers on the crate, but not till I get a red crate, you know?
Right. Old red crate.
I tell you, I want to get one from Quick Start.
There's a gap right here.
Fits, almost.
Where's my McRibeye sandwich? Oh, here it goes.
The McRib is back?
The McRibeye.
If you're ever on death row and you have your final meal,
Go
ask for a McRib and a Shamrock Shake. Those two items are hardly on the menu at the same time.
You'll live another 20 years on death row.
All right, Jay. Open this.
Open the box, Jay.
Open it. It came from Florida. From Jorge.
Jorge in Florida.
Or Horny.
Or Homeboy.
Or Honboy.
They got cases of Coors Light back yet?
That's all they had was that.
Yeah, what cases in?
Who's this from?
It's from somebody in Florida.
Scribbled out his name
No, his
and
address.
wrote Porn Boy on it.
We,
I don't know. I don't feel good about this.
I'll open it.
Hmm?
I feel good about it.
All right, go ahead. I'm gonna stand over here though.
All right. Case it's what? Rona?
Would be.
Poison gas.
Glitter bomb.
No, yeah. What's a shirt?
Ooh.
Oh, I think I know who this is from now. It's a tank top.
Read it. Read it out loud. No.
Bad Tree Productions, as a fan of your page, I would like to donate this apparel to your master mechanic, Jaybo. I feel that viewers should not be exposed to the blousy, stretched out armhole design of the open air tank tops he currently wears. I'm sure many viewers will agree that his nether regions flashing through the videos make a lot of people uncomfortable, mostly women and children. Thank you for your consideration, Jorge.
Oh, Jorge.
All right. Now he has to put it on, right?
No.
He doesn't have one of his nether region shirts on.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's cool.
Got the Pentastar and the Mopar Star. 2XL, that's all you, buddy.
Go slam it on. Come back.
Yeah.
And
Your
then
nether regions. I said it said Jorge on it.
when you're
Awesome sauce.
cool.
No, cool.
We'll be right back. What?
Nice.
Digging it.
You bet. Awfully nice. Well, thanks, Jorge.
Yeah.
Whose identity shall remain identityless.
Right. There's not a lot of Jorges in Florida. I can tell you that right now, right?
I can tell you that much right now.
I have no idea. Anyway.
All right. Well,
All right. Appreciate it.
Yep.
Very nice. Love it.
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
All right. Oh yeah. Little quick fill-in video. Power tour has been canceled. So.
For real?
Yeah. So we won't be going on that. Sorry. What do you do?
Anyways. I'll see you later. I'm going.
Testing out the new
Power
seat.
tour guy. Okay.
If you can't find Jeremy, there's a trail of staples. Follow that.
You know.
He almost smoked everything.
We're going to Mopar Max, though, right? In Cedar
Yes.
Falls, and we're going to Mopars in the Mississippi and Dubuque. So I'll be this year. I'm not sure when it is. Is it in
It's in August. Yep.
Yeah.
So
They're both the same weekend.
Go on the Facebook, Bad Tree Productions Facebook page, and we got a flyer for Mopars on the Mississippi. I know that for sure.
Right.
I'll see about adding one for Mopar Max, unless there is one already on there.
I'm not sure.
It's not at the top of the page, but just go and scroll through the page. There's a lot of things to enjoy on that page. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, which I'm kind of half-assed active on, but maybe we'll do more stuff on it. Alrighty. Thank you.
Like, share, subscribe, ring that bell,
Company man.
and send us shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is great.
Cool. Alright. Later.